All right, so I'm not super impressed with some of the tire dressing and tire shine products that are out there. So this is Terry from TC Tech, and I am up in the lab today, Summit Analytical. And what I've decided to do is make my own tire dressing product. The ones I've tried, they pretty much go on. They either sling off because it's more or less just an oil you're applying to your tire. Other ones, you take the car for a drive in the rain or just for a few days and the whole effect of the product is gone. So I've decided to make a product that makes your tire look new, and it's going to last and last and last. So stay tuned. I'm cooking it up right now, and I will be showing it to you guys in a little bit. Oh yeah, also wanted to thank everybody. I just got an alert. I hit 2,000 subscribers today, so I totally appreciate all of you. If you are not subscribed yet, please feel free to subscribe if you like some of the videos that I produce. And if you like those videos, give it a thumbs up. And if you've got some thoughts, if you've got a cool idea, if you've got something that you want me to take a look at or maybe even try and formulate up in the lab, just drop it in the comments and I will respond as quickly as I can. Thanks again.